Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, I struggled with some basic platforming because of lag and stuff, and we got a little bit of character development out of Clank. Now, he actually wants to take down the villain instead of being petty. Like a little weenie. Oh, this is the Clank stage from earlier. I'm just gonna put this on. Ba-boom. I should have moved away. It's so gross and slimy. Weird little noises when they shuffle around. Give me that nanotech. Let's see. I believe it's this way. Take out the big gun thing. And yeah. Okay, so we can explore all the places that Clank explored. Nice. So the camera panned over here once we got the info bot, so we should probably go that way. Where's that taking me? Oh, it goes down there. There. Gadgetron. There you are. See, this is what I get for not paying attention to where things are, and
that's a real
relevance
beauty
to me. Damn, eating through it. Wait, right, I need to go this way. Saw some thingies up here. Testing my capabilities. And why? Okay, there's gonna be a lot of this. I'm just gonna practice it on the way over. And it still wasn't high enough. Okay, not from that way. Got it. My patience. Why must I test it so? I've already been this way. That's why I got the nanotech boost. I think the next one is like 40,000 or something. Oh! These conveniently placed steps. Why didn't I look at those? Where's my magnet thing? Magnet detector. And I can't get into the... Damn it. Woo. Boom. Big bonk. Oh, I'm moving that way. Awesome. Okay, now I can finally detect them. Yes. Come on, where is it? The money. I want it all. I'm greedy. Not gonna lie, I definitely prefer that they changed out the magnet detector's little sound effect. Because before it was kind of like a weirdness. Is there anything else here? Other than a lot of crates and bolts. I can blow this up. I don't even need oh, yeah. I don't need your fancy tools. I have a wrench. Man, I fully just circled around, didn't I? Well, I didn't get that gold bolt I saw. And I should, keyword should, be able to reach it. It is. Okay, it's actually really high up there. Sweet. Coral? No, I cannot. Stand away from the blast marks. Clearly things blow up there. Huh. Well, good thing this isn't a 100% run. If I can't get it, I can't get it. Woo. Well, I got my next destination. I'm gonna go do that. Alright, let's get this long cutscene. Let's see. Ah, Hoven. Sometimes you just gotta lay back and enjoy the cutscene. You know, I like this instead of like a loading screen. Like, I know it's basically a loading screen, but still, it's pretty cool. Ice Planet.
That must be the ship that will transport the bomb. You think?
Yep.
Great work, detective.
Double tap the R1 button to activate hover, and hold the L2 or R2 button to strafe from side to side.
Wait, can I shoot while like that? You can strafe in this game? Wait, why did it wait till now to tell me that?
I got some great bargains for you
That's
today.
awesome! Oh yes, let me just buy that ammo one at a time. What is the matter with me?
Oh, that's a nice one.
Drone device. The decoy glove. Vizbomb gun.
That's a real beauty.
Let's see. Yeah, this is looking like a flamethrower level. Like this little guys. Large. Oh Christ, there's a lot of them. All right. Okay. What? Why move around like normal when you can just... All this game needed was strafing, which, you know, is pretty available in Ratchet and Clank 2. Oh god. Why did it do that? Why did it give me the freaking, what's it called, the decimator or something? Devastator. millions of them. Why are they so hardy? Why do they have so much health? Why are there so many of them? Awesome. Cool, I got a skill point. Which in New Game Plus you can use for like little bonuses and stuff. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Got it. Oh wait. Grab onto it? Please? Porfies? Por favor? Please everything can put? Can I like blow that up? Like I said, my knowledge gets a bit lacking after poking harder. Well, oh wait. I see these games. Okay, that's just annoying. That's just really annoying. Come on. Yeah! Let's go. Looks like gold bolts are back on the map. Alright, that's just mean. What if I just do this the whole rest of the series? Yeah. Traveling. Style. Oh no. Yeah. Strafing. This is all I needed. With it, I'll be a god. I can't see. Okay, I didn't say it was perfect. I don't know why they got little. Mom, there's so many of them. Alright. What? I need some nanotech like I would not believe. Camera's getting a little weird. Woo! Oh, water. Right? No, I'm not. I know I'm not going in the direction of the deplanetizer. Or the whatever it's called, big missile thing. That's just because I'm exploring. I'm doing my own thing. Living by my own code. Or whatever. Yes. Gibbs. Give me the liquid, the fluid. And then it goes in this one. Oh, it raises the water level. Nothing here. Okay. Was that the game telling me that, hey, if you don't have the hydro mask or whatever, your team mask, don't be here, even though you have to have gotten it to be here. around. I can get on there. Great. Woo. Gives increase the water level further. Aw, yeah. I love that the hydro displacer is so full that it is just perpetually dripping water everywhere. Because look, water's just like oozing out of it. Like me after a 3-hour movie. Oh, that increased it a lot. Alright. Nothing else of note so far. Yes, give me water. Alright. There has to be a place to put it. Okay, there we go. But like, do the pipes just run through the rock? Or does it just like go straight out onto the floor? It makes you think. Woo. Ooh. Greed? Avarice? Money? I don't trust that for a second. Before friendly. Where in the hell am I? Alright. First, money. Come on, where is it? Where is it? Yes. The rest of it there. Is there any nanotech around here? Well, find it in the next episode. Thank you all for watching, and hope you had fun.